Hello everyone, welcome to the series of most repeated questions in SAT. So here we are ready with this question. So what is given here? One equation is given, right? This is the expression. Expression is given and it could be rewritten as this or this. But when I'm rewriting this expression in this form, in that case A and B, they are positive integers. It is clearly mentioned in the question. And if I'm writing the same expression in this form, so in that case C and D will be the non-integers. So non-integers could be in fractions, or in that means it could be in fractions or decimals. And I have to find out the value of A and C. Then I have to add both of them. So first thing, what I'm going to do is, whenever you see these kind of things, you will try to expand this expression. Okay, so this expression, if I'm expanding, how it will look like, let me do that. So you will simply multiply, so it will become 10x raised to the power 4 plus, I'll multiply 5x square with b, so it will be 5bx square. I'll multiply this a with 2x square, so a times 2x square will give me 2ax square. Now I'll do a times b, which give me ab. Now I'll combine both of them. So 10x raised to the power 4 plus 5 plus 2. What is it? 7. Can I add both of them? Yes. Never add, because you cannot add both of them. So you have to write it down like that only. Don't get confused. Don't start adding, because we have variables which are different. A and B are different. I cannot add them. Okay. So I'll simply write them, put them in the bracket. It will be x square plus ab. Now can I compare this expanded form with the given expression? Yes, because in the question they are only rewriting it in this form. So I'll just write it down here, plus 51x square plus 23. Now after comparing both of them, I saw that 51 is equals to this 5b plus 2a. So can I say 5b plus 2a equals to 51? And the constant here is AB and here constant is 23. So can I equate both of them? Can I write AB equals to 23? Yes. I got the two simultaneous equations. Now you know, whenever I get two simultaneous equations, there is no need to solve it manually. Please never solve manually. If there are two unknowns, two equations, always put it on directly on desmos. Now the only small change you need to do here is, instead of a and b, always put x and y. So here always remember also that which variable you are taking x as x and which variable you are taking as y. So here I will replace a with x and b with y. So my new equation will be 5y plus 2x equals 51. Here x, y equals 23. Now I'll directly put it on Desmos. You can Google Desmos and open it. When you open it, your Desmos screen will look like this. I have already put the expressions here, both the equations here, just to save my time. So when you put this as it is equations here in the form of x and y, you will see the two intersection points. Now when you bring the pointer, when you bring your cursor and click on this point, intersection point, you will find that here 23 comma 1, that means value of x and y is, x is 23, y is 1, and here value is 2.5 and 9.2. Now which value to choose? Remember, a and b are integers, so I'll choose the integer value, but C and D were not integers, right? So for C and D, I'm going to choose 2.5 and 9.2. Now you will say, why teacher, why we are using this? We have to solve, we have to expand that second expression also and equate it with the given equation, the same method that we followed to find the value of A and B, but that is not necessary, because equation is same only. We are comparing it with the same equation. So we can directly say this is A, 23 is A, B is 1, C is 2.5, D is 9.2. Okay, so that question is just to trick you. Let me write down the values here. Okay, it's already written, I think. Yeah. So it is nothing but 9.2. What was the other values? It was 23 and 1. So here A is 23, B is 1, C is 2.5, and D is 9.2. So I have to add only A and C. So I'll add 23 plus 2.5, which gives me 25.5. So that's how we have to do the question. Now, I was talking about this one. Let me tell you one more time. Whenever two equations, suppose in this case two different equations would have been given, then I would have compared. Then I would have expanded this also and equated with the other, whatever the equation expression was given, would have been given. But in this case, for both these factors, I have the same equation. Again, I'm saying equation, it's an expression. So in that case, there is no need to expand the second one. Okay. Simply we can equate this expression with the first and we can find out the values. A small tip to all of you, always remember whenever you are replacing the variables with x and y to put on desmos and find out the value, make sure you remember which value you're taking as x and which value you're taking as y. That's all. So stay tuned to learn more such type of questions, and these are the most repeated questions. So make sure that you're taking a note of it as well. Thank you for watching.